Mountain. It is a ground molar that rises from the ground around it in a specific area. It is characterized by steep rock peaks and steep slopes and also has high peaks. The mountain is generally higher and sharper than the plateau. There is disagreement about determining the lowest height of a mountain in order to be considered a mountain, as the Encyclopedia Britannica uses a height of 610 meters above the ground to call the mountain a height. The world's mountains are organized into three types: single mountains, mountain ranges, and mountain belts. Mountain ranges are long strips that extend tens and hundreds of kilometers, while mountain belts consist of continuous chains. and extend thousands of kilometers, the largest of which the Alpine Himalayan Belt, the Andean Belt, the Central Asian Chain Belt, and the Pacific Marginal Belt. In the Arab world, the most important mountains are located on the coasts of the Mediterranean, such as the mountains of the Levant and the Atlas in the Maghreb, and on both sides of the Red Sea and the Gulf of Aden. then the mountains of Oman. And in Australia, the Australian Alps extend on its eastern coasts, in South America on its western coasts, in North America on its western and eastern coasts, and in Asia Minor on its southern and northern coasts. The Alps and Pyrenees in Europe are not far from the seas, but also the coasts of Italy and the Balkans. There are important mountain ranges within the continents, especially in Eurasia, such as the Carpathians, the Urals, the Caucasus, the Central Asian ranges, around the Tibetan Plateau, and its extension towards Southeast Asia. And in Africa, there are mountain masses in the heart of the desert, such as the Stone Mountains and Tibst